Good evening, guys. This is me, Ashrit Yadav. Once again, welcome back on my channel. And now, in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the Geology Honours Paper 2 previous year question for the year 2019. And sorry for the delay in uploading the videos. That you can understand my situation, what I am facing now. That there is a track of cold, so I was not uploading the videos. Now I think I will be fine soon, and now condition is much better than the previous days. Now we will discuss these topics. This will be the last year questions for the paper 2, and in the next lessons we will see the objective question for the chemistry and botany subsidiary and the remaining part of the composition part. Okay. Now our first question is, that is the objective type. Choose the correct answer of the following. That is, plant captures dash % of PA, that is the photosynthetic active radiations. That are the plant captured 2 to 10% of the PA, that is photosynthetic active radiations. Okay. Now then next question is trophic level has a certain mass of living material at a particular time, that is the standing crop. Okay. Now the next question is, pyramid of biomass in C is green roll, that is the inverted type. Okay. Now the next question is, earliest stage among the following primary successional series is, that are the submerged plant stage, will be the right answer. Now the next question is, Montreal Protocol was signed in, that was signed in the 1987. The next question is, Indira Indira, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park is located in, that is in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Which is layer of ice covering an extensive tract of land for a long period of time, that are the ice sheet. Some animal defend areas for its reproduction and resources. This behavior is called territoriality. The main role of the territoriality is, that are the mating the rearing of young to ensure food supply, to reduce competition, that are the all of these will be the right answer. And the next question is, as the proximate cause of behavior is the interaction with the environment, the behavior is shaped by, that is shaped by the P hormones. Okay, the P hormones will be the right answer. Now the next question is, the functional female honeybee colonies, that is the queen, that is the functional female honeybee. Now the next question is, Campion long distance migrant, that are the Arctic tern. Okay. Now the next question is, regardless to difference in distribution of sample and population, mean of sampling distribution must be equal to, that is the must be equal to the population mean, will be the right answer. Now the next question is, all values in sample distribution that can freely vary in selected random sample from population are indicated as, that are the degree of error, will be the right answer. Now the next question is, mean absolute deviation is caused by coefficient of mean absolute deviation to calculate, that are the arithmetic mean, will be the right answer. Now the next question is, mean absolute deviation which is used as a relative measure is called the, that are the coefficient of quartile range deviation. Now the next question is, that are the notes, write short notes on any three of the following, that are the FAP, that are the fixed action pattern, waggle dance, ecological pyramid, ozone depletions, ecological productivity, radioactive waste, and the mode. Now the next question is, describe in detail the components of ecosystem using suitable well level diagram. What is degradations? Give a detailed account on degradation by improper resource utilization and maintenance. Give detailed account on direct parental care in amphibians. What is bird migration? Discuss in detail about different kinds of bird migrations. Describe and differentiate between round and waggle speed dance using a procedure diagram and discussions about its significance. Now the next question is, write an essay on water pollutions. And next question is, differentiate between standard error and standard deviation and discuss about their significance. What is learning? Give an account of innate and learned behavior. Now this was all about the previous year questions for the years 2011 to 2019, and we have already seen the previous year question for the paper 1, and the paper 2 has already completed. Now in the next video we are going to see the objective questions for the botany and the subsidiary part, botany and chemistry subsidiary part. Okay, that's all. And there is humble request to everyone who are watching my videos for the first time or new my channel, like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel to be updated. And whenever I upload my videos, you will get notifications and you will never miss my class. That's all.